In this video, I'll guide you through how to create custom insights in Google Analytics 4. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find insights, how to explore the ones Google suggests for you, and how to start building your own from scratch so you can keep a closer eye on what really matters in your data. First, let's get to the right place inside Google Analytics 4. Once you're logged into your property, head over to the left-hand menu and click on the Reports section. This is where you'll find all of your standard reporting views, and it's also where custom insights live. When you open Reports, you'll land on the Report snapshot. Think of this as the home screen for your reports. It gives you a quick overview of key metrics, trends, and a few automatically generated highlights. On this page, you'll want to look for a specific element called the Insights card. It's usually somewhere in the main grid of widgets, and it contains brief data callouts like unusual spikes or drops. Once you've located the Insights card, click on the option that says View All Insights. This link expands beyond the small set of highlights shown on the snapshot and takes you to the full Insights area. Here, you'll see a list of insights that Google Analytics has already created for you, often focused on anomalies, trends, and other patterns in your data. Now, to create your own custom insights, move your attention to the top right corner of this Insights screen. You'll see a button labeled Create. Go ahead and click that. This is where you start defining what kind of insight you want Google Analytics to look for on a regular basis. When the Create window opens, you'll be given two main options for how you want to proceed. So the first option is to use suggested insights. These are pre-made templates that Google provides based on common analysis needs. For example, you might see options such as anomaly in daily users or anomaly in daily revenue. These templates are designed to save you time and effort by handling most of the logic for you. If you'd like to use one of these templates, simply scan through the list of suggested insights and check the boxes next to any that are relevant to your goals. A good tip is to start with a small number, maybe just one or two, so you can get familiar with how they work and how often they trigger. Once you've selected the templates you want, click Create Selected. Google Analytics will then set those up and begin monitoring your data for the patterns you've chosen, such as sudden increases or decreases in users or revenue. The second option is to start from scratch. To do this, click on Create New. This route is for when you want to build your own logic rather than relying on the pre-configured suggestions. Starting from scratch gives you full control over what metric or dimension you monitor, the conditions that should trigger an insight, and the thresholds that matter for your business. Even though starting from scratch is more advanced, it's also more flexible. You can tailor insights to very specific behaviors, like tracking unusual changes in traffic from a particular country or monitoring sharp drops in a key conversion event. As you get comfortable with the suggested templates, you can gradually move into building more of these custom rules yourself. That's all there is to it. By navigating to reports, opening the full insights view, clicking Create, and then choosing either suggested insights or building your own from scratch, you can turn Google Analytics 4 into a powerful early warning system for your website or app performance.